Hey guys, it's Ashley with 3R Sales. We just finished up one of our COACHWHIP XL box truck packages. This also works for box vans. This particular system has a 10-gallon hot water pressure washer, a 10-gallon cold water pressure washer, a Tucker window cleaning system, and a P40 gas engine soft wash system. So it gives you the capability for 4 different systems in one truck, giving you the ability to have 2 or 3 users working all at once. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. Okay, so this particular package is perfect for our heavy, high volume commercial guys. So this kind of thing will work for airports, parking lots, storefronts, all types of either heavy traffic areas or areas where there needs to be degreasing, high volume surface cleaning, all kinds of different applications. The soft wash system allows you to apply chemical very heavily. The pressure washer allows you to break up all the grease, grime, heavy foot traffic, gum, all of those kinds of things. And then your window cleaning system is kind of the polishing finish. You can clean up afterwards, there's no spots, everything looks nice and finished whenever you're done. With having a larger tank, multiple pieces of equipment, you can have 2 to 3 guys running at one time. So some people look at this kind of package and they're like, this is overkill. But when we see overkill, we see efficiencies. So we want you to be able to go on a job instead of having to take an entire week to finish it in one day. So that's what this truck is about. It's about efficiencies and it's about making more money, having more guys finish your jobs in a shorter period of time. So if you have any other questions on it, feel free to reach out to us. It's 3rpressurewashers.com. And again, this one is the COACHWHIP XL package.